Day 106 of 365 Days of Our Abundant Life series. John chapter 17 verse 11 and 15. Holy Father, you have given me your name. Now protect them by the power of your name. I'm not asking you to take them out of the world, but to keep them safe from the evil one. Today's topic title, God says, I will protect you from the evil one. Jesus prayed for you. He prayed that I would keep you safe from the evil one. Jesus asked this because he knows the devil wants to destroy you. Satan prowls around like a roaring lion looking for someone to devour. Satan brings suffering in an effort to diminish your faith. He brings temptation in an attempt to deceive you, and he brings doubt about my love and goodness to try to estrange you from me. Satan's goal in this world is to keep you alienated from me and claim you as his own for eternity. But Jesus has prayed for you, asking me to protect you from the evil one, so you are not at Satan's mercy. I have answered Jesus' prayer with a resounding yes. All those who are in Christ are safe from the damning power of the evil one.